The DWD extension identifies an Autodesk design web format, XPS file containing publishable design visualization data from Autodesk CAD applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, share, or troubleshoot these design publishing files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure DWD formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. DWD files are design web format files from Autodesk containing published 2D and 3D design visualizations from AutoCAD Revit and other Autodesk applications. They provide lightweight viewing of CAD designs without requiring full CAD software installations. Autodesk DWD files store vectorized 2D drawing views and 3D model visualizations with layer information annotation data and metadata from the source CAD application. They are optimized for web-based and lightweight desktop viewing of engineering designs. Your first application to test with DWD should be Autodesk Design Review from Autodesk Inc. The file's proprietary wrapper demands a specific decryption tool, not generic software. Windows can show the outline of the file, but full editing must happen in a design suite. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your DWD file, then click Open With. Test Autodesk Design Review if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If the DWD file won't budge, stay calm. The problem with this DWD file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, viewing the file. Install Autodesk Design Review, free from Autodesk's website, to view DWD files with full navigation zoom and markup capabilities. The viewer displays 2D drawings and 3D models with layer control measurement tools and annotation features. Next, sharing designs. DWD files enable sharing CAD designs with stakeholders who do not have CAD software. Distribute DWD files alongside the free Autodesk Design Review viewer. Recipients can view, measure, and annotate designs without purchasing AutoCAD or other Autodesk products. Finally, converting formats. Open DWD files in Autodesk Design Review and use Print to PDF for universal document sharing. For editable output, return to the source CAD application and export as DWG DXF or STEP format, depending on whether 2D or 3D data interchange is needed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.